What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. Welcome back my people. Second day me I get a next video my people. A vlogmas. Like me say, I'm gonna do as much video as possible for this month. Right? So right now me are going on a tour of the flea market that's at Wharton and Eglinton. That's in Toronto, Scarborough area. So if you're coming to Toronto, driving out, I want to attend one of these flea market. A flea market is more like a, it's like it's like a market with a lot of different vendors where you sell out them stuff and that. You see? So right now, I don't know if we're going to a thrift store. The thrift store thing them now like buy and sell and people who donate and stuff like that. They are the thrift store them, you understand? So a lot of old material stuff like old furnitures, clothes and stuff like that you can find over the thrift store. And I wish them have some store like this at Jamaica, but they do. But I can never ever find them, and when you go in at them, they might not have what you want or like and stuff like that. Now we're going to this place to a walk through quick and then we'll go into the flea market. This place called NYC. They have a lot of American looking type of fashion for both male and female. So we'll take a, I want to buy one of this for me, listen. For my birthday and a boxing them birthday and my people who want to give me a gift. They make me know no man. So right now my people are going to the store. Yeah man. See some of the jeans them I like my people. I'm bad in my people. So I want you bad in my people. But this I go for you. I think about bill them I go find my people. So not really bad price still. Cause them you know say I don't know cheap Chinese knockoff or stuff like that or thing, you know. You know I buy one of them vests also. Them have all the Timberland boots them and everything. Yeah man. Them have nice jackets man my people. Well nice type of jacket. People I want to never care about them tour videos when I go in my people and just like up a like button, you know. You understand? And share and subscribe same way because you don't know so when we talk. I try to go on one video like this a week time and we are tour the place and stuff like that. He's one of the owners, you know my people. Very good guy. So anytime you come here, you just look for him and you get you a good deal on these stuff because these are like top notch New York City style type of stuff, you know my people. No cheap things. You know, look at this one people. Like they have them like there and this is thick too. This one is nice with the flashy people. I really want 4 bills to the one they do, you know my people. See price there. Good today they not play the music. I like this. I buy something like this, but you know this alone I go for 120, not 3 bad either, you know. But a lot of different style of stuff them have my people. A lot of different stuff. You just come and just shop and open up your eyes. Over here so most of the jackets them and stuff like that. Let me see if I could find something that I wanted to buy for my birthday. I think they took it off. But by the time I walk around and come back again on a different day, I probably see something like yeah man. But check out the clothes of my people and I don't a tone type of clothes them here. And them are real stuff to my people, you know. No half brand or no knockoff type of things them. See I'll bag them there. Be a Timberlands the dogs them have out. The outfits them same way crazy. So look there. Jeans pants with these. And I talk good quality jeans pants. No cheap thing, no cheap material. Yeah man. The jeans top then they were me like there. think I like this top too, you know. I think this is one of the pants I need like. Yeah, come and get the entire outfit for it, you know. we're asking how much you want. How much is go for, brother?
Sorry?
79.
Jacket matching over here.
Oh, where jacket?
This way. On the left. Here. Keep coming here.
Oh, okay.
No, keep coming.
Oh, okay, behind it. Yeah.
Come on.
So how much is with the jacket?
The whole suit is 150.
See them people. I want to buy something like this on a birthday.
Anything else?
Yes, my people, we're back again. They have a lot of kids stuff here too, you know. If you have your kids them and stuff, I want to put them in some name brands and stuff. So up to Uno, and that is it. A lot of dressing shirt here, stuff for the man them and stuff. Price is not too bad, right? Me say. Lots and lots of winter jackets. Summertime come now. I have lots of shorts and stuff like that. So I always come up here. Cause this summertime I come up here, come buy a whole heap of things before me forgot Jamaica, you know. Some crazy stuff, you know. Whole heap of different type of shorts and stuff and shirts. Yeah, man. Lots of female stuff too. If you want to outdress your girlfriend or you want to bring something for your 1B, you know. It's all up to you. You want to buy one young girl in my Jamaica something, that. Woman, if you want to buy a 1-2 man something, you know, so if wish path to come and find the top things, them, you know. Anything you buy in this and give a man, them respect that or appreciate you down to the ground where you walk upon. Father, your name from now on. You know, no joke. But yeah, man, people, like this is a nice store. If you guys want to just come and check it out and see a lot of kids stuff. If you have family, you can just bring your family come here. And like me say, closer, I always like to come closer to Boxing Day. And Boxing Day in Canada meaning we get like 50% off of stuff from certain store, right? So I like to come Boxing Day and see what me can buy with the local money Father God bless me with. Them have a lot of stuff here. I'm so happy them not even turn on the music today, my people. But pan all in jacket bags there. Mad move them here, my people. That bad, you know. It's like a jacket bag, you know, my people. Yeah, man. Bad, man. Could I read something like that by itself on the road tonight? No joke. So look at me, people. A jacket bag. It's mad for summertime, you know. Just a vibe out outside. Mad move. A lot of Timberlands and all of them stuff there here. Like I'm saying, people look on the jacket them people. Jacket them crazy people. Just look at them. I mean, I say the quality of the jackets them people is not cheap. I'm gonna buy a couple of them. Cause when money. How much is the jeans jackets?
Right now, doing clear is $79.
What about Boxing Day? Still 79? And Boxing Day is gonna be 79 too, or a little bit better?
That's the bottom price.
Bottom price, okay. That's not bad though. 79 bucks, my people, and that's 79 bucks Canadian. And you now get them your tone for no $79. That's $7,900. Yeah, that's a $8,000 Canadian, $8,000. It's a $8,500. You now get that for $8,500 in a Jamaica. I mean, I thought quality things, my people. Quality. $79 not too bad. Me probably have to go up all 2-3 of them. You don't know, say next year I have to go all out, you know. Oh, that one looks nice too. Right there. I just don't like vests though. I don't like vests. I'm not a vest person. Because I'm gonna go cool after. So I want a vest. Alright, my people. This is NYC store right over by the flea market. And we're at Warden and Eglinton. Alright, so now I'm gonna go back outside and go into the flea market side now of things. And show you on the side. People, I just want to go and like, share and subscribe, you know. Because you know, say take a time out of people's time for really come and do them videos here. For you understand? No joke no night. So I'm just wanting to keep on liking up the channel, subscribing, and just push me now 5,000 warriors before the birthday, you know. 5,000, you know. That is it, you know, my people. Alright, so now we have got the flea market. Thank you. So right here now, they sell a lot of jewelry. in the flea market, like real gold, diamonds, stuff like that for anybody. So right, it's a lot of people now come when them they in Scarborough, Toronto to find them jewelry, you know. And they have a lot of gold, diamonds, bracelets, every little thing. I'm happy again them not playing no music. But I'm gonna show you this part. A lot of people always go when them come here. So when them come here, everybody always come here. Sorry, I'm just showing these stuff. Yeah, and people say anytime you want your jewelry, this is the guy everyone comes to in Toronto. So whenever you're in Toronto, you just come to these guys. But them have all look at that jewelry that you might look on that Black Panther one there. Nice look at Africa ones too. I want one in Jamaica. These are nice right here, some people, but I know my price range am right now. Not right now. One day do my people, one day. Come buy a nice chaparita, you know? Some nice ring. A nice gold chains and stuff. But yeah, people, everybody always come to this guy right here. Kalani. I don't know if I have nothing for sure. But this is like where you come and buy your jewelries. See everybody there, my people buy up them stuff them. Can't afford none of them things there. I'm gonna make a video, my people, about people who come and in priority jewelry, clothes, body, or if I even buying a block of cement or a block of Jamaica. That's gonna be my next video, my people, because we're gonna look out for the people. But yeah, this is where you come and you get your jewelry, your fangs, your teeth, gold chain. You want to get married for a girl who you don't really like. Yeah, man, over here, so man. So now we're going to the flea market side of it now. This is like a side now. A lot of people in the side that have a lot of knockoffs type of stuff and stuff like that, and they bring it over and them sell it. They have sweets, yes, so pastries and all of them stuff here. Yeah, man. They have kebabs and all them stuff, you know. Now look over here now, they have like the closing people them. Watch right here, so if you want to watch. I think I want to watch, you know, my people, but my watch did break, so I might have to get a Rolex, you know, one of them knock off one day, because I don't know. We're not going to buy nothing real until we can afford it. And we can't afford it until the pool done. But, yeah, you can come get your massage, you know. So everybody and everything there compared to what you don't want. One of them phone cases and stuff here, so. Used to have a barber bridge in there, you know, chopping over, we don't know if they're there again. And the flea markets people only open on the weekend. Only on the weekend in Scarborough. Or anywhere, I think the flea market them open. You know, see them around them, my people. But you see, I have all the movies them staying where you sell out. You don't know, say, you know, knock off if you go on somewhere, somehow, right? That is it, man. You just print off a movie them if you're still there. DVD, bags and stuff, you know. Me looking type of stuff if you want. Ladies stuff, farm produce stuff from the farmers market them. This is the entrance. You can come in and buy your 1-2 clothes same way. But back in the days, them used to have a lot more fun activities while going on a flea market. Now, flea market just look dead out. Right, that's something you know. Flea market just look dead out, you know. But I say, I come and make the video here for you see and we no matter what. So you can see at least how the flea market look, you know. I do them video for people who live here and people abroad. I have a whole heap of perfume, but I don't know if them are knock off. My friend, Jamaica, she love perfume, you see. Me get up and go buy her 2 perfume and go give her, she happy. No joke. But them people over Jamaica, they more expensive name perfume. They don't want to look at knock off cheap one that me can afford. You know, chain and stuff. That's a place to, you know, my people. If you start all the local clothing line, business, you can take a risk and come rent a booth and promote your stuff them and see if you can sell a 1-2 thing, you know what I mean? But buying and selling is not for everybody, you know. And surely not for me, that's why I don't really do them type of activity there. I have a nice little food place, so them have patties and stuff right here, so see them where. I look at electrical man right there, so too. Appliances. Oh God. Oh God. No man say what idiot electrician. Yeah. But again people walk it out show on, you know. Again I look at chain man there, jewelry man again. Like it's a multicultural type of place, you understand me people? So it's different background, different ethnic, different peoples, different countries, different stuff to manage for everybody. So like me say, you might come here and see something more you like, or you might come here and don't see something more you like, you understand? When I get big with him shop here now, more perfume I getting for the ladies them, you know. I don't know if them real, my people, that's the only thing. I don't know if them real. I'm not to have a debit machine for me because I need to buy some roll on, you know. Hello. Nice little toques and stuff right here, so to come and get your Jamaican colors, my people. Okay. You can, you're the one who make it?
Yeah.
You can shout out yourself for your Instagram, you know. You never
Thank
know.
you. You can check me out on Instagram, Sophie's Own, as well as YouTube as well.
Alright.
Sophie's Own.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
No Alright, yes my people, so she create all of them stuff, yeah. She even make her Christmas tree them for no one buy a Christmas trees and stuff like that, you know, my people. She make them. She even make the hat them, the Jamaica hat them. Soon I go come down here and buy up some Jamaican stuff. Because you don't know now, when they're on vacation, I want to show up myself. Alright. So you already know my people. She makes the toques them and all of them stuff. They can shout out yourself again, where them can find you.
Sophie's Own, SOPHIESOWN on YouTube and Instagram.
You have a number where them could contact you?
647-984-8601.
Alright my
and
people.
you name it, I make it.
Alright my people. You see it them there? All handmade. So if you need her, you have her contact information. Alright.
Also bikinis.
And you see them there too, my people, all bikinis.
Yeah.
So female, if you come check her out, and she's right at the flea market, but you can contact her straight and stuff like that also.
Oh yes, it's that 1921 Eglinton Avenue East.
Wait, go again?
1921 Eglinton Avenue East, aisle number 5.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright,
Thank you
people.
so much.
No problem. Take
All
care.
right, bless.
Alright, guys. Take care. Alright, people. I'm going to start it again now.
Guys.
So, we still with people still at work, you know. I like them stuff there, you know, when we do them things for each other and promote each other. But, you know, them don't look at me thing as a local YouTuber, although I'm just a local YouTuber. Because any promotion helps at the end of the day. You understand? So, we continue again. So, again, people, like I say, it's a mixture of background and cultures here that you can always just come buy what you want and get what you want. You might not get what you totally want, but something that here for everybody. And that is it. You can even come over here and get all your cane juice right there, so. You might have a Jamaican place over there, so. We sell jerk chicken and stuff. You see? You might have a cane juice right there, so. Fresh cane juice. You know? Yeah. Fresh cane juice and stuff. Phone chargers and everything. It's like unreal, nothing too big here, but miscellaneous stuff and two things them like that them that have here. You know? I'll go down this side here now. Check out the air purifier them have fryers and all of them stuff there. With your lights, equipment, clothes on top of clothes again, you know. Paintings, want a couple Jamaican paintings. But this is a nice little painting of Spider-Man right here. It's dope. So the nice little paintings. Nice paintings. I'm just saying nice painting, man. You know, so lots of nice paintings. I want a couple of them paintings here when a place done at Jamaica, but more of them all of Jamaica. Like the maps are different places in Jamaica and stuff like that. Hats and everything. Soon, you know, couple jerseys and stuff. Them used to have a man around here so they sell dope pop stuff, you know. And him this now see $10 pants. $10 pants. Yeah, I'm still there among my people. But nothing really want to buy right now. I still have some stuff, you know. American looking type of outfits, but they're more on the bigger side. The bigger body people. You know?
Cold outside?
Not too bad. But I want to buy like a next marina. How much is the marinas?
Oh, he went to the washroom.
Oh, okay. And I want to buy some Jamaican marina. I like them. Okay. Probably about $10 feet from people, but I come buy it. And then around here, so now, still you can get your bags them and stuff like that. Curtains and stuff like that, chandeliers. An next perfume man right us again. I don't know if they're knockoffs or they're real, so don't judge me. Music I play so can't really there so too long. I always come on them and I come get my stuff them printed back in the days. Screen printing and stuff like that. Print your logo and stuff. Couple workman equipment stuff over here, so. Then we are come to an end right now, my people. But this is the flea market. You can get your TV fixed and stuff like that. Still buy up your bags. Get your computer them fixed. Right? Get your car stuff them. I don't know if I need nothing for cars right now. Let me check. Really nothing still. I might need to buy some new ones though. But now, I come around here, so it used to be like a fish and pigeon and parrot area. But them take them out now. And now those highly still see and things around here now. Blessings, daddy, blessings. So what do I sell around here so now? What?
Herbal teas, black soap, shea butter, incense.
I just make the YouTube people them know.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
So this is a new store, my people. I never seen it here before. Because around here, so it used to be the bird and fish area back in the days, them people. So just I make a walk around here and stuff like that. I say the Jamaican stuff them and that intrigued me. So I say me make a look around here. And again, you say you sell
Sage, incense, loose leaf teas, essential oils, crystals, black soap, shea butter. All
so anything, them sell anything in here for run with demons away from you and bad energy and bad spirits, and teas and stuff, herbs to help your body and stuff. What do you have for like gas problems here? Information, yeah.
We got a nice tea blend.
So have nice tea blend and stuff here for gas problem. Anything for like cleaning your liver and kidney and stuff like that too. So them all have everything in that buckets. So next time I'm come back, you know, so I can come back for gas and stuff like that. Alright. What about if somebody wants, if like cancer patients or you have anything like, you don't have to take it up, but you can just let them know.
Yeah, we got some diabetic blends. Also, sea moss is good. Sea moss gel and raw sea moss.
What's your contact information if anybody see this video and want? Oh wait, this is the Art Busher vibe. So you can go and follow them people. I mean, also gonna make him tell on them number. Let me see if I can add better. So see there, you can just take a screenshot, my people. You take a screenshot, but you can just tell them your number so them can contact you straight.
416-333-0870.
And this place, if people, is for the real herbs people. Them can treat you for all sort of sickness, and them have the tea them and everything, and the herbs them and everything. Bless up yourself here, brother. Blessings. Alright.
Boss, here.
Me no want to go waste the card, that's why. Me know you're there, I just walk, you know.
Yes, sir.
Alright, blessings. Yeah, man. Alright, my people. So, think me do my part of job for the day. Right now, I'm going to make it back home to go eat. Because I know I'm not eat yet, you know. So, that was just a quick something like, see, you know, my people. This I want to buy for my birthday, you know, my people. This outfit right here, so I want to do a crazy outdoor photo shoot in it in the winter time. See I'm with the one then I want anybody know. I'm gonna take a picture of the one here quick or a video. So this I want to get for my birthday. And together it's 150. That. So yes my people, this is Warden and Eglinton. You know, just get a couple contact and information for weed, for herbal stuff and all that type of stuff there. And don't get the next information from the lady who build her stuff them. So if you want hats and stuff and tools like those, you know how to link. She does bikinis and all of them stuff there too. Right? So everybody, I just want to thank up again, you know, my people, and just keep on liking the channel, you know, my people, and subscribing and sharing up the channel for me. You understand? Share this video to somebody who never been to the flea market before and you never even know say this day here. That's what make them type of video here, you know, people. A lot of people live here, you know, but not live here, you know. Because all them do I gotta work and back, you know, my people. And right now, like after just almost 3 to about 4 o'clock and look how the place dark up already. A winter time, you know, my people. So nobody not really want to go outside. So you see me I do all them things outside cool. But you know that cold today. So I'm gonna leave it alone. So just I say thanks again to everybody who's liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel. Please go and check out those people pages when we just having the video. Also, wanna bless up on yourself. Thanks again, it's your boy at 416-876 Jamaica. And I'm out.